Alright guys, the last area and perimeter or circumference that we're going to find this time is going to be the circle one. So we're going to copy and paste this one. We only need to copy and paste it right here. Copy, paste, there you go. Now instead of perimeter, we're going to click in here or type in circumference. Perfect. And area. Well, instead of the right angle triangle, we're going to click here or type in circle. Now right here we're going to draw a circle. So insert, drawing, then we make a circle, shapes, this is a circle. Now you click and then you press shift to make a perfect circle. Then you let go, save and close. Now let's make this go in the middle. It's too big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Now I'm going to get rid of this because it's not relevant to us. In this case, that is for the triangle, not for the circle, so I'm going to get rid of it. The VLOOKUP we're going to have to repeat, so I delete them too. This conversion is also not relevant to us, and this either. Okay, so here it's not perimeter, but it is circumference. Just gonna put here circ. Now the values, we only need two values, so I'm gonna get rid of the last one. The way I get rid of things is by just copying here an empty cell or empty cells and then paste them right here. And there it is, it's erased. So now value 4, we need R, right, for the radius. And we also need the value for pi. Now pi, type in pi in Google. Let's say number pi. There it is. So I just copy it and then paste it right here. There. Now the number for pi, you click there, double click on it, hit equals, then capital P, capital I, then open and close brackets, enter. And that is the number of pi. Now the radius, it could be anything you want, so let's type in 10 for now. Now it is in centimeters, let's just keep it there. And value for pi is going to be centimeters as well. Well, it's not centimeters, sorry, but pi doesn't really have a unit, so let's copy this and get rid of that. Okay, now we're going to have to remember how to calculate the circumference of a circle and also the area. Now the circumference of a circle. So let's click there, let's get rid of this, and let's type in C equals 2 times R times pi. Done. And the area, let's get rid of that and then click A equals, in brackets R to the power of 2 times pi. Then. Okay, perfect. Now right here we're going to do the actual formula. So we're going to do the application. So double click on it. Let's apply the formula, meaning equals, then type in 2. Remember that times is with a star. So times, then the R. Let's open and close brackets for the R. Then times, then open and close brackets for the pi. Now the first open and close bracket, the R, so I click on the value for R, which is here. And then the second brackets are for the pi, so I click on the value for pi, which is right here, and hit enter. Now for the area, let's double click on here, then click equals, open and close parentheses, then times, open and close parentheses. So the first parentheses is radius to the power of 2. So click the radius, which is this one here, so click there, to the power of 2. Okay, it didn't work for me, the power of, so let's do it again. Power of, there it is. So radius to the power of 2. And then in the second bracket, you click the value for pi, which is this one here. Then you hit enter. Now I forgot to delete this content right here, so I'm going to delete it. Now here, the area units, they have to be in centimeters square. So let's double click here, equals, and hit VLOOKUP, and then the VLOOKUP, open parentheses, what we need to find is this right here. These units, comma, because those are the original units. Let's go to sheet number 2, select the range, comma, then 2, then comma, then false. Close brackets, hit enter. There we go, centimeters square. Now conversions, let's do the conversions. Let's click here. Now the circumference, we can literally convert directly from here. So equals, convert, open brackets. You need to convert this number, comma, from these units, comma, to these units. Close brackets, enter. And let's do the conversion for the area. So let's hit equals, then open and close parentheses. That would be the r to the power of 2. Then times, open and close brackets. That would be for the pi. Now let's click on the pi first, hit there, click the number for pi. We got that one done. Now let's click on the second parenthesis. We need to convert r and then make it go to the power of 2. So we have to go open and close parentheses for the r and then to the power of 2. That's what we need to do. So let's click on this first set of brackets in the middle of them and then do the conversion. So let's hit convert. Convert, open brackets, convert what number? What we need to convert is this radius. So convert that one. Comma, from which units? We need to convert it from this unit, comma, to this unit. And then you hit enter. And there it is. This is the area converted, 2 meters. Now right here, what we need is meters squared. So we need a VLOOKUP. So let's hit equals, then VLOOKUP, open bracket. We're going to VLOOKUP, we're going to find this conversion right here, comma. We're going to find it right here. So select the range from A1 to B4, then comma. We need what's in number 2. So 2, then comma, then false, close brackets, enter. There it is. And this is how you find the area and the circumference of a circle.